We often hear that a healthy diet is important for our health, but how do we know if we are lacking in certain essential nutrients? Sometimes the body may not show these signs immediately, but with clear signs, you can know when you need to change your eating habits. In today's video, we will learn together the signs that you are lacking in nutrients and what you can do to improve this situation. 1. Fatigue, lack of energy. If you feel tired even after getting enough sleep, your body may be lacking in some important vitamins and minerals. Nutrients such as iron, vitamin B12, and vitamin D play a very important role in maintaining energy levels. When these nutrients are deficient, you will feel tired, lethargic, and even have difficulty concentrating on daily tasks. Iron helps create red blood cells. A deficiency can cause anemia, leading to fatigue. Vitamin B12 is important for maintaining energy levels and nerve function. Vitamin D supports the immune system and helps the body absorb calcium better. 2. Weak skin, hair, and nails. Dry skin, hair loss, and brittle nails are obvious signs of a deficiency in vitamins and minerals like biotin, vitamin A, and zinc. When these nutrients are lacking, the most vulnerable parts of the body, the skin, hair, and nails, are more susceptible to problems. Biotin helps strengthen hair and nails. A lack of biotin can cause thinning hair and brittle nails. Vitamin A is essential for the growth of skin cells and helps keep skin healthy. Zinc aids in cell regeneration and helps keep skin free of acne. 3. Difficulty maintaining weight. If you are unable to maintain a stable body weight despite dieting or exercising regularly, your body may be lacking in substances such as iodine or omega-3. These substances have a direct impact on thyroid function and fat metabolism in the body. Iodine is an important nutrient for the thyroid gland, and a deficiency can cause metabolic disorders and affect weight. Omega-3 helps maintain a balanced metabolism and is an important part of regulating body weight. 4. Sleep changes. Another sign of a nutrient deficiency is difficulty maintaining a good night's sleep. If you wake up frequently during the night or have trouble falling asleep, you may be deficient in magnesium, vitamin D, or zinc. Magnesium helps relax muscles and nerves, contributing to good sleep. Vitamin D supports nerve function and helps regulate sleep cycles. Zinc is also essential for nervous system health and promotes better sleep. 5. Weak immune system. When you are prone to colds or infections, it is a sign that your body is deficient in vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, and iron. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system and support the body's ability to fight bacteria and viruses. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps the body fight off disease. Vitamin D helps maintain strong immune function and fight off infections. Zinc helps boost immunity and protect the body from pathogens. In short, nutrition plays an important role in maintaining our health. Recognizing signs of nutritional deficiencies in the body will help you make timely adjustments to improve your health. If you experience some of the signs we have mentioned, do not forget to adjust your diet or consult your doctor for appropriate supplements. A nutritious diet not only helps you stay healthy but also helps you maintain a better quality of life. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so you do not miss the next videos about health. Wish you always be healthy and eat nutritious food.